Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to hide your lock chat on WhatsApp. If you're new to your WhatsApp and you want to lock your chat, you don't know how to lock your chat, you can search through our video and find out on how to lock chat. So today I'm going to show you how to hide your lock chat. Now I'm gonna hide this now. Okay, so guys, you can see this is my so this is my lock chat. So how do you hide it? What you need to do, you just come here, click on chat lock settings. As you can see, you can just come here. You can see once I click on this, it's not going to hide. Just search back here and you can use secret code to hide it. The code is the one you're going to use to search for it. Just say it's ID and this is it. It is been hiding, so I'm going to open it back. Just click on continue and it's not going to hide again. Let me show you here. You can see it here. These are the lock chats. You can see. So if you want to lock it, just open it. As you open it, you use your passcode. Come here, come to the streamline, click on chat, and this is it. You can see. So it's very simple. You can have your secret code, contour, continue. So this is it. Just open it. So you create a secret code for it, and that secret code is the one you're going to use to find your lock chat. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.